What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. Leave a like and also subscribe. Click the top bell icon to get notified whenever there's anything new on the channel. Some people may have some things when I say I go share with Uno. We have the lion man I call Fabbi on live and I try get through to her, but him only come to find out say boy she block him on every single thing. Him can't get through to her none at all. Seen and more asking a question. Who feel like say the lion man and Mika there that's Annie daughter, cause Annie come out and say some things my people, but them that Airbnb whole time yesterday seen and it look like say the lion man daddy Airbnb just fi link up with Mika. You see me? And you know impossible you know my people. And me tell you say any day the lion man get a walk off of Mika, him now go left. You see me I say? And me feel like say him a knock it right now, but them just now want to put it on social media like that. Tell me what you think. Why would he be around Annie so much? Why would he be around the family so much if him not knock it? You see what I say? That's just my opinion still with people, but more to tell more on the things. See, so we also have Cute Boss and Daima buck up the woman where Raja allegedly give him friend, but we all know now say and Raja give the friend the woman, right? So me I go make you hear what the woman officer and also with the ex-woman officer about the big war between she and her ex-man. Seeing also people come buy a machine for a woman where I take set pan her. You know what I mean? We are gonna share that also seen and people me see a picture me see a video with Cam data and big woman thing cause you have to just take that one and me can't say Cam figure a DNA test. No, it don't print out on the girl face already. No. She no need to do that. If it's a jacket, take it cause it cut to fit. Also my people, Candy and Rosalie at it. That are the man Candy me attack, you know. Seeing big showdown with him and Rosalie. Also we have the cat woman come explain what happened to the money to Owie. Seeing the money where she said she get from the people them come explain to Owie. People, me still now say she take the money, but me I go tell you something say. Alright, more find the right thing to say without trying to sound a type of way like me I tell her, you know what I mean? Like me I say she take it. But you see if she take the money, she still I go have like an excuse where I go justify like you know what I mean, where I go kinda make it look like say she don't take the money. You see me? She said some people get back their money and some people don't get back their money. And you say if a person got thief from you, them a got thief feet not look like say them thief it. And people me now say she take it, but them TikTok me can't put nothing past them. Me I tell you really and truly, me can't put nothing past them. See, so me I go make one ear she explain to Owie. You know what I mean? What happened to the money and something. You see it? So if we left out none, it a go in the video, but we are gonna get in it you know with people. So we could get in it.
Him are the reason why Kasha hate me for life. I'm gonna be no cake, I'm gonna like me no know if I'm no way. I feel in prison argument me Kasha hate me now for life. Me never do our shit. See in prison argument, me Kasha hate me for life. I never do our nothing, me no know her from no where. And all the while when I have them bumble wall back fire, them turn and come to me, oh, go you too bad man for the wall we are beggar. Define bad mind. Want someone to define blood clot bad mind, the wall we are beggar. The whole way of people admire you for you. So we have a bad mind board. This means you up on the rank, the next means you did this so. I saw the board go. You have one good day, somebody pass you and say in a match and shoot her right up. The bargain half way never put on. You have them days that come, everybody get them the days that pan ya. So bad mind for what? Me not text a gift to them. Me not follow a gift to them. Me not story the gift to them. Me never tell a gift to them to stop give a bad mind for what? Exactly. Me not nobody send me no request. Cause when them sit down and talk to my bad mind, I not address them up. Bad mind for what? The whole of we are beggar. You have good days and bad days all in a selling. You have days when I shoot at them, shoot it right up there. You say bumbo clot. Cause the match good, everybody blood clot. Participate. Me remember one day me there. Me remember one in a last week me there. I think on Monday. Right there and for morning, 1-6. One straight 6 me play and pass him. And him there for morning. And that me I tell you there for morning and nothing not true. I see people just come on and just pass you. I just say life go. What fear. What belongs to you, people belongs to you. All the while they're going to come. Somebody busy blood clot makeup. Chat over there with Adam, me and him and Trev. And him come on, the first person him this at Trev. And me I tell Trev not pay him no mind. Then I see him say, so cocky bitter. Remember say bitter no son to him, you know. When I look, big stinking girl, we are come talk about makeup. But about the busy with the makeup? I'm say makeup look white. Nobody busy with the makeup. But the busy with the makeup, but that's how you stay. And they can't, some of them can't. When we realize that with everybody, some of them can't. It's when success and brightness are them, can everybody can't. Me that can't put no one word on, you can't understand. And everybody can handle success. It's when some of them get success, them feel like people bad mind them. And all the while them drop it on me. All the while. I'll triple them, I'll drop it on triple. And I tell triple say me bad mind her. Where think she play with me up until every day? Cause she know deep down in my blood clot heart say, me no bad mind you for nothing. You a girl will call me and say come wrong. I say me can't, but she say come. Some of them, me no want to come to me on a bad mind. Them say him drunk. No, you don't diss your friend like that. You don't use alcohol and diss your friend. Because money me I put in your pocket, the baby shower was my idea. When you have 200 people over there. You don't diss a friend like that. You don't angle your friend. You cannot tame. I want to run certain joke with you and go on. I run no joke. Okay. Me not run no joke. You big and stink like me not run no joke. Me not run a blood clot joke. Me not run no joke with you. Me not run no joke. Me not disrespect you. It's just for fun and games. When I add you, remember you know, understand you know, them a batty man. When straight people there so for shoot, them a go run when them see them not go want to step on the same screen for shoot. Them not understand that. Me jeopardize all of that. Me jeopardize straight man shooter will come send me. Remember one that me approach Starboy. I shoot for me when I click the live with my Starboy, me gone. And everybody go stay on the phone screen with them. Some straight man now go shoot for you while them on the phone screen. But something you jeopardize all yourself just to be friend with them. I'm gonna play with all of them. I'm gonna know that. A straight man with a straight person with that shoot for you long enough. And when them come on the scream, them gone. Was only gonna play fish, me gone. I only who can cope as man we stay and shoot and woman we still stay and shoot. I'm a jeopardize that. Me not run no joke with you. When man be him down drunk is what him do all the while. You're very provoking and you go like you don't know what you do. And you want to come style your friend because you see views of people. Me not run no joke with you. Me not bubble gum and live in your house where you eat out of your pot. I'm not care which suck all or which lick out but you can't tell me say me bad mind them. For nothing at all with them have. Because me can't bad mind if it's something people take out of them pocket and give you. Oh. You can't for go man and angle blood clot success the real way. No fright never say come see. Oh. The man never say come see, man. Tiki never say come see. All along when Candy chat at 200 people, him not hype.
People are the wrong name. ROSEALEE just got called a while ago, you know. Me know say want this is somebody I hear where ROSEALEE say, you know. A straight rubbing to ROSEALEE, you know. But let me know what you think, my people. We not dwell too long on that one, yeah. We are do it quick and fast today again. We are do a quick and fast one today, so we could listen some more ROSEALEE have to say.
When them see it reach 2,000, me blood clot. A piece of height upon him. You want to style everybody. Every minute him and Mason mount meet. Every minute him and Big One mount meet. When tablecloth from the, exactly. Every minute you and mount meet. Every minute you want. I know you don't do that to your friend. Angle your success. Angle viewers are people. Come here can sit on fire with 2,000 girl and boy. And send them go reach out and go into the ranking. I mean, know someone who can't do it. They're the only big nasty dirty house or girl there, so. Where there's a lion coming a crowd of people, you see that? Me have shooter with them and said, no one lion, me not see that a match. Forget that blood clot. Me not have to in a no match. Only there and see it. Me not have to in a no match. Me there some when I'm beg a pussy na girl let me get it. Me not have to in a no match. Me not have to in a no box. But there some I drink my rum and I talk when I want to talk and the girl them like it and I just beg 2 live goal and just happen. What day me there, I 100 and add money gun, me get straight, go carry me up a top 10. I'm never play a match, me just stay here and I go and lip. Draw a piece of crowd, I just a lip. Just a chat and a lip and a chat and a lip. You can't tell me, say, please stop playing with people, miss. You can't judge people. But when some of them get back, they make them know what time it is. Man, pay them because me like you, don't jump the one big stinky, I mean, I like that. I never said nothing about your makeup. The face I go on, so. I look joke me around with you, your makeup white tea girl, I have to stop. Big stinky, I like that. I did tell somebody. I did tell the person. I say, Candy would even wait for me to see John just make the, you could even just blood clot prove more wrong. I tell the person. So don't worry yourself. You soon see me and she fall out. Cause she like style people and everybody know. Big One knows how she stay. Mason knows how she stay. Trev knows how she stay. Everybody knows how she stay. Even the girl who must long watch her knows how she stay. She like for style her for no reason or when they not style her. I'm so long, I'm going to tell someone on the phone a couple of nights ago. I said, don't worry yourself. You soon see me in our jailway, and the person, I know that. I know that, Joan. Because I know she stay. I say, you soon see me, wait. Wait. It's like a crowd that takes she, you know. You soon see. Big One excuse. You soon see. You're not TOA. What you mean by You see how you mean? What you mean by you know the woman stay? What you mean by me I tell her the truth? We don't know the woman stay. Remember I say, oh you mix up, you don't know the woman blood clot stay already. You know they are good. You should flip and start to get bright. All of a sudden. And I laugh. You know she stay already. You know she stay. You know they are good. Not like that big stinking girl we are talking about big. Not like that. When they gonna prison me have your blood clot back. And me alone did have a back for you when you're gonna blood clot prison. Me alone that press you come out. When you are running remand for whatever them they lock you up for. Me alone. Never seen nobody. All of them are true to your egg and they add them in the box of them class. Remember all of them the days there. I'm still not watching it, but I feel learn. Because one wise woman told me when people show you who them is best, believe them. So you can't tame. So I'm not supposed to play not more than a match. I'm supposed to run no joke with you. And that me go start. When I have no smoke, I sit down and talk to my team. I go on my bed. When I sit down on the live, go do no again. Come on, make no more on bumble all time up and blood clot this. Then draw back for me on the pop down. Oh. I run 2 blood clot joke with our shot eye for a blood clot. Why am I run no joke? Don't diss me coming on blood clot this year. You saw the whole of them blood clot. I run no joke. I like working at team. I'm going to tell somebody already. She come over here while when I say to her, she come talk about big stinking girl. I'm going to say they make up white. I don't want a filter. I never say I want a filter. I just run there and have my mouth with you. Before she come here, you know, Trev, before she come in, Trev said, she style me. Today in the ROSEALEE, I said, Trev, don't follow Candy. Don't follow her. When I realize I just saw you steer, I did throw you this one time, I say, you know, oh, Trev, I talk to you, baby. So cocky purple. And then you start.
She too peppery.
Are the crowd of people that get to our brains.
Life going to clear out now. I don't know if we do them some before I look a friend them man.
I saw she stay.
Because even since I'm there, I say even since 90 ROSEALEE and people.
But Trev could never be a man in a relationship. You shouldn't be fighting a man, sorry.
You understand, guys? Even then I say, boy, man.
And then when them done the first thing, them blood clots say, oh, you're bad mind.
Come on, we go left to right. Hear me out. Yeah, hold on. Oh, your private number. You like your Jayden? For true? You like me? And where you come from? Oh, focus.
People, me don't know about nobody else selling up, but me strongly believe say the Lion Man and Mika, them in a something. You see me I say, I just my opinion still and everybody have one, so that I just my one, but more here Who no one? Tell me what you think if them in a relationship or him just love the family. That's why I'm there around them on a regular. Seeing? So you can watch some more people. It's a quick one we are doing now. I'm not chat too long.
I won't put that last. Won't put that last. Nothing. All right. All right. Wait. Give me some time. Give me some time. Give me some time. Give me some time. I have to take it slow. Boy, I'm tired. No, I'm not do it. You're probably not going.
You have been redirected to the mailbox of the number 1876.
Mailbox. She blocked me on private too. How she do that? How them do that? You can't do that? Try again. Try again. Call on D&D. Ya Luna que laugh, I see. That never private. The number sign 31.
We're sorry, but your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number.
Yeah, go try back next year. So that me do, brother. What that cost me for? what do I cuss me for? That me do. She man never cuss me. I'm a car triple. Bro, me not use no style, bro.
People, it's clear, you know. It's clear to see that Fabbi never really want this youth, you know. Because even when them did in a relationship and a link certain way, yo, she disrespect him easily and quick. You know what I mean? That shows say she don't have no ratings for him. She maybe have little ratings for him, but she don't like want in a relationship with him to a level. And then he go bring her down on the media or make it rather worse. So if she didn't even have a little thing in her, I say, boy, you know what I mean, should I link back with him? That I gonna make sure I link with him. So all him a try right now, more than one thing make Fabbi nah link back with him. Cause if Fabbi link with him right now, she are gonna lose some of her supporters. And on TikTok, supporters over everything. You know what I mean? Gifter over mother, father, boyfriend, girlfriend, everything. You see what I say? So we know say she not go and link back with him because she go fear losing our followers them or gifter them, because we know say if she wants say she go try him back, then gone. Let me know what you think.
Straight me call. Oh, mute. Miss Triple Black Metal. Miss Triple Black Metal. Oh, for Telegram. I so much money. So much money. That's how we're starting people. So much man, woman left them and them start them. Oh, so now I'm big pussy wall too. Batman wall on. Cause look how me get a little opportunity this morning and nobody not call me. Oh, so now Batman dog. Hold on now, Batman. You could even call me and say, yo, Jayden. He call a 4 days youth. Is it? Out the batty boy, them, yo, John, my dog. Eh? Brother, I never locked down, bro. Stop. I never locked down with nobody. Oh, I'm shipping a car back. How are you going? We will try back next week. Try Instagram. Why? Oh. Somebody said try YouTube. Somebody said try YouTube to be like, God, in a local situation where you need a local help. I don't know if a person black you. Yeah, she black you. She not black you. Probably I can reach out and and see, see what go on.
After that, the Oscar performance, so we have performed BT Award. You not talk back already. You know, sing what you tried last night. Listen, you know, so me kind of got to make me.
No, I think something did come up again.
Like what?
Them do that say me if this no work, me give up.
So people, as me say, me I do that one quick and fast, me not talk too much. But come in a vibes with a woman, seems like she and him, I don't know if they know each other from Jamaica, but them live at the same place in a foreign. Zine right now, come go buy a machine, me people, and come and make sure you know, say, yo, anyway you see me, and rush me, you go get bullet. Yeah, man. A straight grains. Come say, him a go plant in her, like a farm. You see it? So, it look like she has some issue with somebody else, a third party, turn them in an enemy as well. You see me? So we are going to hear where come and say people. So make we listen.
Saturday, I'm gonna give your homework. Sit the fuck down outside and wait on me anytime. Because me can't tell you something. Me will sign over prayer and Lexi to my blood clot sister and go sit down and jealous blood clot yo. Because me now make no girl America beat me. You know if you beat me every day. And if you don't come in 1,000 and group, me just want one and uno. Because me take off one and uno and you hear me say this year? Now left out of my blood clot bag. And me go buy a gun today. I'm going to get the receipt and show you, because I'm a blood clot play with Uno. Yeah? This no left my bag. I'm a gun no left me. Because I said me no fix a blood clot in a foreign. There's no Jesus. Try me. Try blood clot me. You're fucking bright. Boy, you come. And your life on top of it too. Wait till I reach my yard. Because me I come to you. But me show me that MPs. When you create your scene, I'm letting you know I'm in MPs right now. I'm coming here so every Saturday. Every Saturday. You remember that blood clot? No. I she a walk attack, so she go beat me. Yesterday, me used to ramp with me. My sister must see up here yesterday and she can show up her dirty body. And I come and critical of her wig and I go on. They should have called me. They should have blood clot called me. Because y'all look fellow, me tell you this, me got jail for anyone out in a foreign. Because anytime nobody see me, and me alone, me not keep friend. So me don't know how me if you know your business and me not keep friend. And you want people know your business, girl. You're out hard and bright. But me attack say, she put out her husband. Oh, me if you know that. I first me ears on this morning. So you want people know your business. Move your dirty, dibby pussy hole from ya. Because you're going like you're someone in a project you live in. Move your blood clot and around with me, girl. Because I don't know your business. I don't know your business. Me that MPs now. I want somebody to tag you. Ramp with me. And see if the police are come for blood clot. Because I know you never come for me. Your blood clot bright. Hey, cash me come out.
You got the time? No, empty.
Oh, Tara, I'm bright. You know that America? I mean, I know what that America blood clot do, but I know alone. Here, I will blood clot put on the orange suit for you. Because if I beat me today, you have to beat me tomorrow and the next day and the next blood clot. I mean, I have got about that. I don't love station. I don't love run gas station. So I don't want people catch felony. I will catch a felony for you. I don't mind. Because I'm in a plan to live in America the rest of my blood clot life, you know. All of my life, no? You remember that pussy hole there. Yeah? And the time I come to MPs, me I come live, because I want you come fight me. Call you bad. I call you this morning. Left a message on your phone, and you call me when we at work. And I give it to you on your phone. I tell you, say, go suck your mama. And your boy, I didn't tell your sister I want to fight you. I can make sure to cut my machine and walk through blood clot door with it. I can put my gun pan cat because if I ramp with me, I bust your blood clot in a forehead. Remember me tell you that you swole it. You hear? Yeah, your dirty friend. They wanna come. Cause coming for the blood clot. Oh no, ramp with me. In a foreign now, no see. I think me a back for another girl a foreign. You must be blood clot mad. Chop out your blood clot today. No man, I want girl. Me make a MPs me there. She live about 15 minutes from here, so me come live and me know she watch me. Because one thing me I ask them, here and can I send my kids over to my sister, please? Because there's no doubt to put on that orange clothes. Fucking out hard and bright and feisty. Me say she up on her top of her voice yesterday. How she gonna beat me? And if you keep her name out of my mouth? I say okay. Me and this woman never in a cascas, you know. She always see me and run me down. And I say, she want to play with prayer. Me surprised. My sister said to me, she said how much me I call her name. But she me beat up her friend. Her friend come to me with me run her friend and class her friend. She can take it up on her head. Take up it on your head. Because I come here for that, you know, one thing, you know. Me not no time I fight nobody, but I chop you out on a blood clot clothes. Remember that. And anytime you see me have my blood clot machine for me. Me I tell you for now. And you know me I go do? Me I get some shit. Oh no, come baby, come. I don't pray. Come. I'm a friend, baby. Turn up, mama. Turn up. Yeah. Me ever get some shit. Anytime I have shit today, tomorrow I win. Me ever get some shit. And when me get it, I go and make sure I get some well scotch. I buy some scotch bonnet pepper. And I go and pepper it down for you. Me I put a hard kind of sitting in the car. Say one time you come, I'm a shit your blood clot. Shit all worse than acid and you never know. Ramp with me in a foreign. Ramp with me in a foreign. God be a nice one want me. A friend and this woman come, but she buy out argument, you know. Her friend go tell her life on me, so she buy it out. I come about, take my name out your mouth. When me call this man, she said she never see so. But I know that. Ramp with me. blood clot. And me give me address too. But when you come on me yard, I right place that for me force some hold on your blood clot. Hey, look come. Now make sure you go out the door. But turn up. Cause not only alone a fight in a blood clot, American a pretty fight with blood clot, girl. Me not pretty fight with none of you. Just remember that. Oh. Right at MP's Island, me the city, MP's Island Cafe in a Virginia Beach, and them me and every Saturday me come here some ROSEALEE in Davis, Carby. Cause you alone married and nobody no know. Bumbo clot you come by me for. And me come live waiting at you from morning, me busy, you know. From morning, me the up and down. From morning, a blood clot by me putting them food. I'm a grocery and my car full. In here full. Cause me have to just take the time out, go spend government blood clot money what they give me. You never know. But any day you see me in this blood clot called Island Cafe. Remember me tell her you go talk to my blood clot Glock and you talk to my lass. Cause me tell you something, me not thump and fight, cause me not no time for that. I don't know bite me and blood clot do me this, you know. Man, I have more to say when I come live this evening. Go suck your mama. Like I'm tell you in your ears this morning, say go suck your mama. Go suck your mama. Again. The fucking out hard and bright about me. And people don't want to know no business. Me don't know how my name reaching out in your mouth. But me I tell people say you put out husband. Me don't know about you. Anybody say they see me nobody America a friend, I lie them I tell for me. Lie. But darling dear, I'm leaving. I just come grab 2 mix and pigs. Maybe next week me I go up here more longer. But in time you come up here. And if you want me address, you can get it too. Because you have me number, you know. And me can tell you something. Anytime you see me lick me, I want to see me come lay up. Load up. Because 2 we go load up. And when the 2 we blood clot load up, we shall go. No stone they have to fling, but me have about 6 buckle in my car. Me have a blood clot machine in my bag. And me have this blood clot here with me. Try me. You're fucking out hard and bright. I think my sister this. My sister should have called me yesterday. My sister should have said, come here. Come now. And see if me no blood clot reach up here. You fucking look out here. Me say people the drunk who want to know our business. People. She have one dirty friend who live somewhere where work round there so. But if you forget, me not go to work place because me never call police for me. She have one friend who live somewhere around there so. But our friend and the man are war. Me the company life contact about you already, you know. So I come like our friend go tell her.
Some people the other day we share one video with Uno, with Cam I say people are try broke in her house or something like that. Seeing her she go buy a machine. So it looked to me, you know, like say boy that was the excuse to buy a machine because she did want to buy the machine for the woman. But she just used that as the excuse. Me don't know. Me don't know. I don't tell me anything. Because me say we don't chat too long. So we watch some more and then move on to the next.
Like on me. Because one time the friend asked me, say, if me know ROSEALEE. And me say that the girl lie like a dog. That's the only thing I ever mention out of the mouth. And me see her after that when me pass her remarks about her. Me see her over one shopping center over this. So she said to me, say, what the baby? Out 2 weeks before last week, me see her man in that same story. Me say, what go on? Oh, ROSEALEE, what she a going with? Me frightened. My sister called me, so the girl create excitement up here yesterday. And say, oh, but when she see me, she go beat me up. Me get her number today and me call her. When me call her this morning, here right now, I never tell your sister, say, I'm gonna beat you. I told her to tell her to keep you. You must keep my name out of your mouth because you're saying I put my husband on. ROSEALEE Davis, Card B or whatever. Me don't know when you are married. Me don't know when you are married. Me don't know if you have a husband. So me don't know how many name in your mouth. Listen, if you want people know your business, baby girl, just make them know it. But no can't no mix me now. You see my sister that way down there, so? Me never got my sister yard. Yeah? Me no keep friend and enter nobody see me and me alone they see. So me don't know what kind of tour you come with. And if a Crystal go tell her like me, tell Crystal to go suck your mama and stop. Wait till I reach me and come back live. And as me say, me go get some shit for your blood clot in a one good size pan. Cause when me a shit. And anytime me see you no way, me a start trip myself naked. Cause no grab me and beat me, you know. Me a trip myself naked. And me a take up my blood clot machine and me a take out my gun. Cause me know me a got jail for your pussy hole. Me I make sure me first no blood clot lick you. Fuck run me, Marcelin, cause you bad. Show me that MP's Island now. That's why I come live. Cause me no wine. I only 15 minutes right, so I know me there 15 minutes all long. But suck your mama no call me name stinking girl. Bright and out hard about you. Me too. You must see one foreign shut down. You can't beat me. You must see one foreign blood clot shut down. You can't lick me. Me sure to God say, when me done with your man, me know me I get one good 30 years and it's blood clot here. And if you lick me and run, me a fire in your yard. Me say me a sleep on your yard. For you remember coming to you can't even know who you are ramping, man. Go suck your mama and go with germs. Bumble hole. Me a come out for this till me reach on my yard. A grocery me a buy from money, because I never spend government money. The big wait till I come again class or blood clot at your don't clot.
My people, this is on point with a very important one, and this of the whole I man them up on TikTok. We get distracted by pretty females. And Chrissy TV is a perfect example. Because OC no, everybody don't know him not have it. This youth they try to make a life. And TikTok people them see them want to help and willing to help him. They man give him a push. This girl named Chrissy TV get ready eye. Because I say OC no upon him for you. Reach out to the youth and want a relationship knowing all of that is a lie. Because Chrissy TV have a man. No OC no know that. No OC do not even know where Chrissy TV live. And Chrissy TV come down, make a video for people and see when none of them sleep and it go viral. Then you know people rush and start support. No. And Chrissy TV believes that the money, even if they get half of it. When none of them go buy material, him stop him say no do it yet. Him start wear some tights without even panty behind that. Just no see him fat front. Cause him do everything to mislead the youth. No buy into it. Cost him 90,000 for LP rent. Him end up having to pay Chrissy TV rent. Then no realize that him definitely want to sleep with that brownie and no they beg somebody from Chrissy TV get mad, start ease him off, elbow him. When no try to get a basic hug, cannot even get it on camera. When all this girl do a pretend to use the youth TikTok fame for grow her page and her followers and captivate some more man in line with all of that. Me even see him keep alive with some youth that threaten to go unalive OC no. So now OC no life is even in danger while me speaking. And all of this are because of TikTok money. But my people are worry about thing to you, but I go here with OC no have to say, listen my people.
90,000. You here to help me build one house and you never build a black fire back.
First of all, him say me hear say him help OC no. You never even give you 10,000, you never even contribute to what kind of help you could have captivate to help this youth when you don't contribute anything. You don't buy 100 black. It don't make no sense to the people them. And you go see you see $2.8 million. The youth come show him account and it was 4,000 something. So a matter of fact, everybody know you cannot drive $2.8 million off of TikTok one time. That is impossible.
People, me share that story with Uno a day, you know. And the woman I said, boy, this man here, him have a good house. The house where him show and a film. Him put zinc over and brand new door and one bag of something. So my people, Uno go hear what the man I say in the video, cause the man I say, alright, cool, if me have a good house, come show the good house. Then saying she did just want name out the man. You see them girl them wicked, and here the woman have a man in my people. So how you feel if you live with a man and him know say I do all of these things and link with this man, although she kinda put it off like say the man she a help him out. She a help out this youth here. But people, oh, if you take money from somebody where you are trying to help out, no, you're not supposed to give them money. Yo, that's why you can't. Yo, people have to be careful out there, you know. Cause this youth is a trying youth. We are trying to make something of himself and I show him living condition, and this girl go link the man left from which part she come from, go link the man in a place, you know, and a regular link up with the man, you know, till the man have to pay how much money what a rent, you know. And because it look like say the man nah give more if you get, you know, that's why I want to expose the man to people, tap gift the man. Where you want the man to go do, you know. Why people don't careful out there, make you watch some more.
But here we also have to say make him continue.
Never buy a blood clot like as a young little girl. Look what they know. Your fake out, I have and be a filter. They think I hold your face, I be a sinner. You see me wear filter? See me wear filter as a little young juvenile. You come to help me. Me help myself, be a man, give me the first money. You know what I do? Build up my style. Buy so load, but the load them never they get for work with the up and the load them. So guess what? Go on and money kind of mashed. Brother, I rank piece of money that we spend my youth. 100,000 my youth by melon and sitting. But we spend it, I'm here for the on the up. I'm here for your move. I'm can't trust the road. And everything I go bad. And I look a piece of food, the hell mash up. But guess what? We get out that in the stall. That means I said, I go food tree them come back in and now. Make you get back BL load again for sell. So if you get the stall youth, you're good. Fire up that there. And you design that. You design for make back anything where you want. You go make up your place. That you go help you for buy look up. Any look thing where you want. Even a bag of cement that you buy every day. That style can help you buy. But Chrissy, me have $2 million build my house over here, so scam people. So Chrissy, what the video that you have? You're the most even video my house is true. Like you're the most video my good house. That means if any problem you know, you're active.
That make perfect sense. But Chrissy, you can't see a lie Mattel. Him not even consistent in him line. He might try to bring down the youth, but the people them not buying it. But make no continue.
What's the video where you say you have body house? Go in your house there. Chat, anytime I go around in my yard right now, I go in the house again. I'm going up on the video already. You know. I don't show so much people never over here when we're going up on the video chat. But as me I tell you now, look at me, I try to hook up Chrissy, you know, watching Chrissy take 90,000 for pay rent, you know. So you know I'm gonna try to hook him up.
You hear that, my people? Or you hear that? 90,000 for go up here and them. And him show the video, everything when no one say, him show him prove. Him show him whole TikTok account, the balance, everything. The man be so transparent. Chrissy, he shows proof say he's a liar. You just a try to bring down you because the man find out say he's a scammer. You come to take him money, you have your man.
And every time he come link me, he knows that the machine work. Watch the dumb sir.
You want this with me?
Alright. Watch it. It work, you know, every time he come link me, he got ATM thing in the pan. So ATM every draw money, he knows that me have a card. And the card look like he can't empty to him. Every time he want money, he get it. So here I know.
You hear that,
Christian,
people?
I get a hug up. I'll show you. I get a hug up for sugar. Wait now, man. Wait now. Chrissy at the ATM. Me and Chrissy at the ATM chat. I'm giving her money. She don't want a video this time. She don't want to come on the video when she's getting money. You know, don't post me this time after I post the video. I say, I look a pussy me a beg. And that, you see it?
As on the can see that, my people. When you see that, never hug the youth can get and the youth they pay 90,000 for rent. Almost 1,000. You don't show no for the youth and make brown skin fool no. Don't run into them a girl on a sip on TikTok. Because they are manipulators. They come to take what you have. Look how long the youth they struggle. Where were you all along Chrissy TV? Look how long the youth they upon him face. You not help the youth because they don't buy 100 black. What do you contribute? Where you say you're present, help boost him TikTok. People them for shoot from him? No. Because first of all, I shoot for none on my other page. And I can't even show say none follow me. And it was not you make I shoot. You see where the youth they go through a long time. So you just show, say you're a trickster and the youth find it out. You get exposed. So now you have people for your life they plan to analyze the youth. True, you get exposed. Chill out. But may I tell you now to be careful. And if nothing happen to no, you just know say it come from Chrissy side. Either I'm friend them or family member. Nothing happen to OC. Because when you go to see pan screen record when the guys them there pan it, say if nothing, then go analyze no. If they put nothing upon TikTok can't about. So if nothing happen to no, it's this female.
No.
Yeah.
Tell the people them where catch up your phone pan right now. I'm gonna go sit down. No, I'm to you.
I don't know how you do it, you know. I don't know how you do it at all. I don't know how you get to do it, but...
How me do I know? How me do I?
You get to be so bold and brave. I'm not so bold and brave like you know. I don't know how you do it. I swear to God, I don't know how you do it so bold. I've been hiding for me for you.
No.
Yeah, what you say about when I catch your phone, pan?
Tell the people them.
That's why I now turn up, see it drop.
Tell the people them we catch a shoot.
Is that you know the window green sitting them we have in all window them, but you have a look at thing I catch up on chat, yeah?
People say a lie and no believe or something, but
man, I'm not telling a story telling nobody if they know me not business. Sugar, you want to come go on like yo my dad, I'm even the
no, but yo, but I'm saying to them that they want to come and see the place and you can ask if you come see the place, then think I'll let me tell. No. What did I care?
You say I gotta make everybody just come fly in a man things to you. You're all glad to do that to you. You're just you never know where to. I'm glad bring yo. I'm just
me not true. Listen, me gonna go see myself. You don't have to tell me nothing. How I going where eat?
Oh, my good, man, make up on it right there.
So I'm in a cook no food,
Oh, maybe I didn't go get.
It still no go through, no come out of it. People did that try deposit money to me same and it say we could not deposit money sent to you. You understand? Right. Because it was fraud. You understand what I say?
Yeah, me get to ask them one.
Alright. So the bank closed it down and I have no money. So me I make it clear because they keep on and say me take no money, me take no money. Me I make it clear it's not my fault. It's because of the account was new. All of the money we collect up, it was refunded back. A lot of persons reach out to me and say, Kitty, me get back my money, me get back my $50, me get back my $20, me get back my $30. Them come up in my box, people come and tell me too.
Alright, my people, so let me just wrap up the no and the girl thing. So this girl, yeah, I said the man I scam the people them all long, and you know it, but you play along with it. But now that things now go your way, that's the time you choose to come out and speak about it. That means you are scammer too. Simple as that. This girl, yeah, can't seem to get cancer. That me say, because you see a person that try to make it in her life and them a try, you know what I mean, them living condition is not nice, and you go there and a take from them when you fear put in. Them girl are wicked and them cut the almighty slippers. Yeah, remember me telling you. So watch your people. This thing here, you know, seeing with the cat woman and how he and him money. It's like this dog, he not get back no money, you know, because she has said the thing locked down and some of the people then get back their money. So she has said some of the people then get back their money. And the persons them want to get back their money, they have to link with them bank or whatever.
So they get back their money, you understand? Who not get it back yet? Need to call them back because I not have it. The account locked down.
Our new account, Kitty.
Yes.
You don't know, say you can't collect so much money one time, especially from different people.
Mine was refunded. See, Tammy, I said mine was refunded. So, me no get nothing. I don't have it. Me I make it big on the platform once again, only because they keep on. They take no money. Me use sickness for this and that, and me no take no money. The account locked down completely. I do have a whole of it.
No follow them, man.
Them tell me, you see where bank read, you see me read out and tell you, the bank say, because one or more unauthorized transaction. Meaning, somebody, if they authorize it, say it wasn't a scam, and maybe more than one person. Just to make you know, bro, you know, what everything, just to make you know.
You think, I'm trying to tell you, say, nobody watching about that, bro. Me and a person will come on and...
No, but let me tell you, I feel clear the ear. without your respect, I remember I know them say me enough this and that. Bear in mind, you know, what if people did they on my platform and say they want to help you, I could go ahead and help, right? I will collect this. When we reach 1,500, me tell Cooley. When we reach 16, me tell Cooley. When we reach 2,003, me tell TJ. So me never want no money. You understand?
Yeah.
And you know this to say me did keep on a track on about the money and everything.
Yeah, man.
So me just assure you, my 300 when me open it with, no only I get back 268 days for service fee when they take out of the $300 for open the check-in and saving when I open. And that is going to be a cashier's check after the 20th. They're going to send me all that $200.
Yeah.
You understand what I say? But bro, I just assure you, I not have it. Alright?
So guys, everybody who have it, get back on the money, sit in my PayPal now.
Yeah. Alright, see that to away. Evo signing in on my online. When I click sign in, see it there, when I use my face to sign in, this come up. I can't see nothing in the account. None at all. The account is closed down.
Yeah. Get it, come to screen record and then go thing there now. So guys, we know what they say before you keep it tell me. I'm take time to say, hey, I don't watch what nobody has said on social media, because I know all them stay. You see me?
If you don't get back phone, you call the bank because I not have it. Alright? Call the bank if you don't get back phone, you own.
But guys, I don't know if it do a go for me. I don't know if you do that.
Yeah, them say the go for me.
On the PayPal.
I see people still reach out to me. Oh, you said they want to send you something. I tell them say account closed. You understand? I make them know say the account closed. Them people still reach out to me and say they want help you same way.
Yeah.
And me I tell them say the account closed.
Guys, take it over yourself, man. I know one of them will get up and do, you know, yeah.
But always I help people. Oh wait, wow, I forgot to show you. Say, see that person did text me. Say, see that person did send me. Say, them get back for them own. See it show refunded. See there, the person say, them TDZL sent to refund to them. See there, refund. You know if you see it. Yeah, but it's a refunded. So, all of you know, where I come talk, I not have the people their money and they can come off from my back now, yeah? So, here where the person even did say, show them, here it is so you can show them on the date. So, see it there, and them send me. See, when them send me the money there, it's me, Kitty, sitting under on TikTok. I say, okay, baby, thank you. Yeah, see there, and them send me, and them show me, so them get their refund. So, they can allow me now, I not take nobody, I not take the people their money. And them thing, leave me alone.
The people think guys, you watch chat. Because I see something growing, guys, where them talk about Kitty, just blow off of that. I'm in a fool, let me tell you something. The funny about things I'm a fool, but I'm in a fool, bro. You see me for the first time when I see it on live, well, me have no such thing just getting now. I'm just cut me up now, say it go. I'm happy to everybody get back their money. You see like if they never get it back there now, would I feel that way. But I know
yeah, people come forward to them get it back.
Yeah.
You get what me I say? Out of my goodness of my heart, you know, away and I first me help over here, you know, me help all evil people when me say I bring me down, you know, and then I tell that boy joke them and make, you know, it's not a joke because I never take nobody money. You get what me I say, bro? You are gonna be the 4th, 5th person me help on here with cash up people as well. I never take none of them money when me help already. You get what me I say? So you can leave me alone. Even this morning then coming on my chat. Thiefing girl, this and that, like bro, I have nobody, I not take away their money.
Yeah.
And me constantly I tell away them how much money me reach. Even when the money reach 2-3, me I say to TJ, say we are going good. He said me did want it, moody back give them a track or nothing.
Yeah.
At 2,781 in the account, 2,781. See God over evil say I got mine back. See it there? So me no want to keep on a follow me for leave me alone, bro.
Everybody enough love, enough support, please.
Come in, go play much more and check up by number 1.
Yeah, man, try push feet. Come in.
And thanks again, Kitty.
Yeah, man, bro. Who them feel true about certain things, them not true. You know, leave me alone, bro. I never take him. I do it at a genuine and willing heart. I mean, they go get every dollar. I never they go take money. Power top shot.
Yeah, the paper line I buy you and me pin.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, Crystal. Power top shot.
Come guys, power taps and roses.
Guys, power top shot.
Yeah, man.
Let me see your phone now.
Somebody send us something on PayPal. Them show me the email say to write everything. But I don't get it on my PayPal.
Come guys.
Exactly. Guys, wanna still help away.
Jigo can beg your strength, Jigo.
Guys, wanna still help away, guys. Go in and pay up in and bio. Click the link in and bio to in PayPal and send, guys.
Jigo beg your strength.
Everybody just click the link in and bio in PayPal and send something up on in PayPal. Me I tell you the truth, me no want, me not tell me say help me go for me. Me don't have to help me. Me afraid, me tired, me get too much going down about this.
Wait, thank you.
Alright people, so let me know what you guys think in the comment section. We are gonna move on to the next.
The way you use, me ever tell you the truth, you know why? Because it's only somebody older than Asian would still stand up for morals. So I applaud you for that, Sister Zandra. I applaud you for that. So it wasn't a dig or a diss. It wasn't a dig or a diss. I thank you for it. Our Cked Granny. Exactly. Remember say all I want to lead to the best crowd, you know, and all I want to use the level of psychology to try and get the audience and phone aside to say, well lady, I am speaking highly of this young man. Me not have no time to pretend. That's the difference between Uno and me. So you understand what I'm trying to say? So as long as we say, oh, we are monetize the situation, I am going to speak about it while Una pity it. That's the difference. I refuse to speak like everyone else. Because me now go see the truth in my eye and talk say, oh my God, because the crowd is saying that, no, I'm not going to do that. The truth, let me say this, the truth is an offense, but it's not sin. So when we attack, you see the app lose its moral because you are not speaking out. You understand me? You pick, choose and refuse. You understand me? What you talk about and how you talk about it. You pick, choose and refuse. And the thing of a blow up in your face and then you'll come back and say, you know, I couldn't believe that oh we did this and oh we did that. You understand me? And it all becomes a show for you guys in order to gain recognition. But when me talk, me not care because sometimes me don't remember what me say, only remember exactly what I say and brought it back to my memory. That's the difference. My body of work speak. My body of work speak. That's why me not care who want talk this or who want talk that. Me don't talk when me I talk already. Me don't see when me I see already. You understand me? And if it take 10 years, the truth I go come. If it take 10 years, the truth is going to come. Yeah, that's the difference. The internet has a great, let me tell you something about the internet. It has a great problem where a situation will arise with, say for instance, let me just use this now since it's fresh. The situation with Nisha is no longer Nisha, it has become a always situation. Sister Zandra, use the education. You never say it's no longer a Nisha situation, it's a always situation. It wasn't a Britney situation, it becomes a Shay situation. It's not a Jabba situation, it becomes a TikTok liar and ROSEALEE situation. You don't understand how the internet run. You don't understand the chain, the links where the internet connect with. You don't understand all of that. Nobody not say all along. That is why people in the comments say, take a break from the media. Why is it that when we have a serious case, we can't take a break? Exactly. Why? Why, Zandra? Explain to me. Why you have a situation, Zandra, and you can take 4 days, 5 days, a week, a month off? Why you can't do that? Explain that to me. Can you say never kick a man when he's down? So let me ask you how down or will be. Because he's feeding us with information and we're exuding pity, we place it that he's down. Because you have to use a level of psychology, you know, to understand how the internet runs. You have to understand the internet is a university. You have to can read and write. You have to qualify. You have to qualify. The problem that we are having is that we are friends with many persons on the app, even if they are not rankers, even if they even if they're just in the comment section, we want them to be our friends and we want to be their friends. The difference with you and I is I am not here to seek validation, to seek friendship, to seek anything, to even offer pity to anybody. When I can show mercy, I don't show pity. Pity is of the devil. Mercy is of God. So you see, in showing mercy, I'm going to talk my truth.
Alright people, so we are going to move on to the next one. When I say, me not wrong, me can bash for ask for money, because at the end of the day, money begging at the order of the day over TikTok, plus him have expense, you know what I mean? So he have to beg money, because on a level, them would normally I do them TikTok and I make them money, but when I do, you know, I occupy a lot of time and you know what I mean, they go want money to do certain things. So me not see nothing wrong with them asking for money. You see it, big man thing. But me know what I think, me people. I'm gonna move on to the next.
The 2 nights since she have came from the hospital. And the reason why I bring her out is just because when she video called me when she was at my house, she was saying, so you know that I've been by the hospital, you know, and I want to feel like I want to go outside.
Yeah.
Because I'm bored by the house. So I say, all right, then I'm going to go out with her whole of vibes, you know. And you know, so I go out the first time I go out, you know, I say, I'm my cousin go out, as in, what are we, man? She away as man and Brittany alone as the only woman and film boy named David. So we did a whole of vibes and Brittany did a drinking cranberry. I just me and my cousin them drink off the buckle, I remember Martin, you know?
Yeah.
Last night now, we go out, go pair and we go eat food and all of them something there. And I go and ease myself. And to the little dog shit them in a pair and I go and like say, yo, Ray, I say, alright then I'm prudent come and say, but we didn't really want to know Remy last night still in a car. Brittany not drink and me not drink off all of them. So I do something small, but you know, through them full attitude, but just raise the charge. Only if you know upon me that know me people are talk up so boy and David did it for show you to you that mama. Hold on there.
Thank you, T.
What's that slow? See if they finna believe me. Remy still in my backer. Remy still in my backer. I mean and David alone there in a party are drinking. Tell me say no say David more cut though.
Yeah.
Cause I didn't want to have prudent on the road too long and some style and rare. So I can't mean out at night, Joe.
You're drinking cranberry juice, the man say.
Cranberry juice, the mom's in there drink. And me here for me, that's a me they get Britney liquor the drink and this bag of rare.
That's what
Me say my whole all boy
getting a plate over here saying for real.
I say my whole boy there, me say my boss up in face with the remeto.
Yeah.
All soft pussy boy, all grass mine. Me didn't even call in him because man nobody.
Yo, some people just prey on people's downfall. And
People
those
go on like
people
they go on like children see man then think man a madman. How you feel like say some woman get paranoid, I easy in a party and say alright then. You know some boy feel like say yo, man Britney thing shaky.
No.
A cranberry mom's a drink. Mom's porking cranberry and
I could be getting ready to go to a party, and if my spirit catches me and tells me don't go, I'm not going nowhere. So who cares if you up and leave? You don't need to be out anywhere for long times right now.
Me tell you say about 3 or 4 cup me and David take out tight and we just walk out that party. Just move. Come me I say, me not tell you no lie no. Every door, hospital and jail are 2 different places. Cause I remember one time when I get locked up, 4 and 1 month, me I tell you something not line.
One rose, guys. One more rose, guys.
Today I want to play so long and can't move and then thing there. As me come on road, me say alright then more and go get some fresh breeze. More and go out.
Yeah.
Hospital
stuffy.
Come back out of jail and lock up in the house.
Hospital. Of course you want to go. Yeah.
Go out all I want vibes. Go here say me try mash up the girl career again and this and that. Me say if me ever hold one of them, I see one of them attack.
Don't let them dry you up. Don't let them dry you up.
Yeah.
They're so jealous. They're so jealous. They want to try to come in.
No. And really that hurt me, I feel no say yo. I'm mad I go hear all them things Them things that make me feel all the way, cause I know them things that don't go on in a mama.
Well, they need to understand the media and real life something different.
All when nothing goes as if the mother go hear say something like that, then go believe say yo, yeah, Zozo one of them type of fucking idiot there. Zozo one of you.
True. Because when I was in Jamaica with such man, him and his mom and I were holding a good reason for a couple days on and off. And she didn't understand the way things work on the media. She thought that's what he was about all the time. So people like older people don't understand.
I like my vibes and I say right now. Is it true mom's around me just say but don't come see Yeah. But don't stay sober if I could even for and good while I run in there around me just do another. Open the door, babe. Spin the latch, baby.
Take time, Zozo. Thank you, T, so much. I appreciate you. Fireman, welcome. Thank you, my girl. Yes, thank you, everybody. Thank you. Well, some people are just evil. They prey on the downfall of good people.
Come on. Prosperity. Big up yourself in a prosperity. Most of them, they don't want Britney come out and invite me to, you know?
Of course.
That then they don't want, you know? Hold on, I'm on somebody.
You guys just need to focus on building each other up, and that's it right now, you know? Focus on your own things. Forget everybody.
Big C, they know how much. Tell her she's in a live match.
Yes, Angela man turning a woman. We can beat that some.
Damn, I know you're not for that. My daughter is 14 years old, September 16.
Oh, sorry.
What feminist?
I have a daughter.
You have daughter?
Yeah, you have daughter.
Oh. She did use her cocky before she used her back pussy.
Anita.
Just like my batty man, we get him youth first before him cross over. Oh, yeah, Angel, you'll be friendly them at Turbo Fever, yeah.
Why me I tell her from big one, can me come trap me off right a cute boss I never turn.
Shot! What to be
Alright, my people, so this a cute boss and Dima. I talk to the baby mother. You see me, that are the ex so come on the life still, you know what I mean? So after them talk to the ex, them I go talk to the wife. So make we get in people, me not chat too long.
At the time, if we females just listen to each other, we can protect ourselves from these narcissistic men. You understand me, Daima? If we listen to each other as females, we protect ourselves against narcissistic men. Alright, I not even remember what the woman said. What a story I gonna. Alright. The woman. You got for the fight part. The woman say, the lady say, the man tell her say, mature him out and all of this. And that you say, I don't know about that. I don't know about the truth. I don't know about that. Because the man claimed to say him did go one party one Sunday. She know because he must sleep with her here. So him sleep with her, him get a $800 from her. The first time him sleep with her, she give $800. So I tell him come out of my house. When I tell him come out of my house, he must go to she know that the lady know and tell the lady say me throw him out. Which the man been did asleep in the house. Sleeping at the house the Monday, him sleeping at the house the Tuesday, and him take him look at time and move out every night. Me not say no cause a man, and him I get the money from the woman cause me hear say she a fix up him house, which him a fix up house behind. So me I gotta get called, sorry. Because him come to me say I'm gonna be truth for me. Truth with me, rate it, remember me a woman. Anyways, him say, Shana, I'm find one look at old woman who are gonna help me build my house. Right? She give me $800 the first time. But remember 2 minutes chat to him. She give me $800. She gonna send $1,000 rate it. I say listen to me. I don't want to hear nothing because at the end of the day you do all of this behind my back and you never come to me straightforward. Me you live in a house, you sleep out for me, you play a victim, you do all of them something. So I don't want to hear nothing. So there and then I drift him off from me, if you understand what I mean. When I drift him off from me, through the mother, the whole family of them love likes, everybody start switch for me. Them depend him get him opportunity. And if I leave him with him opportunity, that's how everybody say. Me get my opportunity already, which me I gotta tell you the God true boss. Me married, but to my first 2 kids them father, and that's a long time before me even meet the man. You understand? So when I meet the man 3 years ago, and me and my ex-husband would have left 4 years ago, if you understand. My ex-husband and I married for me and got foreign. I file in him father. And him grandfather them file for them, so them go a foreign so for them foreign life go. Anyways, the family, everybody start show more vibes and serenity. Remember, me no know this woman. One of my friend them text me now and said to me one day, say, Shana, go up on the live, yeah. You see two other women attack on the life. This look like say other woman here I give blacks the money. She did depend such man life. That's a Raja life. She did depend film life. Anyways, I go up on the life. And when me go up on the life, I realize she had sex. Then me see such man post her and say, drop a yard soon. That not my baby father. The nether person post her. Anyways, I go up on her page with my real page because some say I go up on girl page with my real page. I make girl know say I go up on them page with my real page. I saw me stay. Yeah. When me go up on her page, it look like say the woman know me. You see, by the time me, for sure, my friend, like me that say, you know, say, cause remember, say me and such man the deal come running. So me that say, you know, say that woman here get such man the money for fix up house and eat the likes, all of that. Barbz, me not say no, remember I'm go up on the lady page, me not say no, oh Barbz. When I see she post up, she and my wrist, everything. I don't say no to him. I start laugh. Tell me I'm a friend them shot me. Macri in the shop and say, lad, anti-post her man, rate it. I start laugh. Me not care. Because me I say me no business. Cute boss. Cute boss. Anyways, me not pay the man and she no man. Because remember the man come to me and say, I want to fix up him house and him get the woman and member family. I say, boy, opportunity, everything, rate it. Some say me I leave them too. Them conscience and everything cool, boss. Anyways, the following week, which would have been the Friday now, cute boss. Me I sleep on one of my friends them from Fern, call me and say, Shana, regardless of where you be able father have that woman your out order for post you up the rate it. Me I tell you the woman I look probably me not cute, boss. So I say when she post me up, say my friend call me up on video call and share it with me. When I look, the woman post, it look like when I go up on a real page and show the private it, I'm going to go back on it, cute boss. I don't know if I might and make mistake and send the woman a request hour, but the woman screenshot me with a request and send me the Lulu cow, never know the use of it, tail till it gone, put me up and start rub me in a cute boss. My friend has show me, you know. So just look at your profile. Yeah, so my friend has show me cute boss. So by the time we go to back now, me I call a little dirty boy now. Come here, say look stink. Me ready for go class. Him I say, me be a mother and show the love of money and likes. A dirty woman you fling much money per year. You make the woman a post your rate it, but nah I get it. Cute boss mad me mad and done. So me I say, when me I go down at the yard where the house are built. Come here, say by the time me start mash and wet. Everything, him a go drive attention. See him see when me a talk about some come here have it for say the love of money. I got the love of money a root of all evil. And like how you love money so damn much. Me a go mash up everything with that woman here do. You boss, when we go down there, I mash up we go up 22 bag of spinning. I mean I go wait it up and my friend them all up on me and say Shana done. Make him go and don't make you go and say it. Anyways, such man did class up on the live and she underneath it. The lady I said pure big lion, pure big TikTok worker too. She's the gifter, the big gifter. So you know everybody has swing on the money side, if you understand what I mean. The following other week, another week after she come to Jamaica. The whole of West Kingston up on the lady page now. So she follow the whole of West Kingston. So she start post up the things them when she and the man. Me not care. Me not make it bother me. Me not care. Me not say no. Because family in the man ears, friend in the man ears say opportunity this. The lady you give how much money. Rate it. So the likes, they all over. Everybody in the man ears. Remember me now, dash the money from the man. Me not help. So fact now, the party night. Where the lady I go say rate it. But stand up in the party, cute boss. When me there in the party, the lady a pass and she bunks me just feel somebody shoot me. Cute boss, you see when me feel somebody shoot me in the party, me turn round now. I'm a kick car, cute boss. Cause I realize that she's a swing round and I kick car. The kick when me kick car now. Friend come down for me, because remember through the lady I spend her money. Everybody come down for me, you know, in the party with the man. Then the man war in the party. We go outside. No, the police them say we're outside. I mean, I'm fling a hot soup.
Alright, so my people, right here, so I'm going to end for your side of the story. I want to tell more the thing. I'm going to make you hear what the wife say. But a lie the girl I tell about the wife come sugar in a party. Who are going to people community, especially the woman even from Jamaica, and you go in a ghetto community and go rush a ghetto girl, a bad ghetto girl. We look like how this a woman you look. If you no go up on her page, you no see her, she named Bianca something like that. But I think if you no type in Bianca, you not go see her.
Me go fling a hot soup on him. My boy want hot soup and me go fling it in his face.
I mean, you told me what's going on, and because I really don't be in this back and forth thing. So I'm listening to what the young lady is saying, and nothing never go like that. First of all, how all of this started is I'm not gonna get in too much of personal conversation between me and my husband. But anyways, when me and him met, it was just something out of the blues, was never expected. We start talking, and he was to come back to my Airbnb that night to take me for a ride. So when he came back, we went out and we were talking and stuff like that. He told me that he have a baby mother. So I was like, okay. Then we start talking and stuff like that. At the time, I was gonna just get a fling from him that night because I was coming back the next day to America. So, you know, I wasn't in no relationship for like 3 years. Actually, a strong Christian when I came to Jamaica. And, you know, I just got caught up in the moment. I went and we had a fling. So, when we had a fling, he came back to the Airbnb the next day and he played a voice note for me. The voice note was kind of disturbing between him and his baby mother. The baby mother was cursing him, disrespecting him, telling him when he was in Mobe, the Saturday, I think was for Daima birthday, they had a problem between him and a follow TikToker that I was his gifter. They had a problem and the guy was defending his friend. So the baby mother was like, you should have died. And she said, out of the voice note and what the guy showed me, she don't want him and he needs to get out of her house. He is a liquor boy, and a liquor boy, you need to find your own and whatever. He started telling me personal stuff and I felt some type of way because I'm like, I don't want, you know, nobody to like treat somebody like that, especially me. I have boys. So I felt some type of way and I was like, so seeing that you have a baby mother and this type of toxic relationship you guys have, what do you want to do? Because I said, I am grown and I am not trying to get into any relationship whereby it's going to stress me and I'm not playing no side chick role. He said, I'm willing to risk it all. I'm tired, I need peace, and I have texts with that and confirmation. But like I said, I'm going to talk some and some I wouldn't talk because at the end of the day, is my husband.
All right, well, Miss Williams, I not cut you, but I have a question for you because Bianca said something that is kind of, it tickle my brain.
Well, why you wanna, I'm not being respectfully. You can't ask me question until I finish. You have to let me speak and then you can ask question, miss. You have to let me speak and then you ask the question. All respectfully. Right. So, because you see, when you ask me question, then you're cutting me and then I have to like remember where I stopped. All right. So, like I said, I feel some type of way. And he said, you know, he's ready to risk it all. He know what I was looking for. I said, listen, I was once married to a Jamaican guy and I went through some things and I don't want to go back into that. If you know you want to play games, I am not the one to do that with. He said, no, I want you. I want this relationship. I just want peace. I don't want her anymore. She disrespect me. She do too much and I just want to, he just don't want a relationship. So me now, I believe everything that he said, and this is after me and him even sleep together. So, because I said the next day I was coming back. So after I gave him some money, is nothing what she called. I'm not going to say the amount that I gave him, but it's not what she said. She came and she tell a lot of lies. I gave him and I said, okay, seeing that you don't want this relationship with her anymore, and I told you I'm not going to be a side chick, do you want me to help you level up? Do you want me, Because remember, I don't know Jamaica, I don't know West Kingston. I didn't even know where the individual living at the time. Because remember, he's at my Airbnb. I don't know nothing really.
Alright, so this is some of the things the wife offers to me people. I got anything now because the video has stretched out too long. So let me know what you think in the comment section.